The woman engaged to Coco. Popcorn woman, the last one, they were going to say popcorn like fellatio. Me never know a woman a lesbian a bumbuckler. When me hear this here news to me to bumbuckler, me say, which Coco? Bumbuckler. Them two of them, they want to go. Because you see, in the lesbian relationship, people not want to know about the lesbian them, you know. You see lesbian them, we have to, just when we're ready, we go so, we then we rub pussy together and ready. The two clippers them there, they play with them one another. That, me no, me bo, una go tumble down. Me bumbo clot. Me put, una wicked your fuck. Mighty God, una not even try if you say una go find other local size, other might fit there we do no brass. Cause me no say una no look good enough for that. Me no say no get me wrong. Me bumbo clot. No wonder you keep it a secret. Keep it a secret. Keep it a secret. And it's time to say goodbye. No, not say goodbye. And we are see the whole of the blood clot beach movement. Who rent out the whole of the beach down on the strip there to bumbo clot. It won't me bumbo on the beach side that can kiss me ass. Coco, you hold on his sodomite like me no know, me never come, me no follow your mama, so me never know see her rub catches with other girls. So Popcorn did know. Popcorn did help you rub crutches with the girl them too. Cause you say you love fellation. Bumbo clot. You will dance all a freak to bumbo clot. Be a freak. Freak from left to right, bad man. Coco, how long you been eating out women? Look on the woman we have on your mouth just because of money. Oh, no, keep me bumbo clot. He left me and them serious. Oh, sure, baby. He left me and them serious. Look how come in a little bit. I mean, that's big. You see, I'm big now. Come here 5'11". But mighty God, me did I look on the 200 dog. 200 with that one place. Half a ton. Bumbo clot. For bumbo clot ton, you know, man. As two sides of mine. This is how the lesbian game go. You see, one on the big, one of it small. Because the rub pussy game, serious. You can't do, as I say, if your circumstances make you look bigger, you can't, it two on can't big because it's awkward if you two on a rub pussy. You feel like a deal? Well, if I did the smaller one, the bigger one can up and out, and the littler one go rub on, rub, and then the fatter one wouldn't have to move more than just open out your foot. You know them look weird, and then the smaller one then I crease. But you see, the two on the big, like all the two of them big, you know, tired quick, and that means the lesbian sex not gonna last long because you not gonna have bad knee. You know the little style, eh? You're going to realize, you know, I just say truth, father. I mean, not going to lie. You feel like, no, babes, I'm not bully them. No. Come on now. Look for me. When me did get overweight the other day, I me tell you, I said, babes, me realize that me can't blow in my sleep. What me do? Tell me what me do. Me go lose weight as a chopper should. So,